Hi, welcome everyone. Welcome to the ConnectALL's micro webinar series. My name is Sharath Bhaskara. I'm the Director of Technical Services at ConnectALL. Today we'll be talking about how to overcome software testing bottlenecks and break down QA silos. When you look at a typical software delivery lifecycle, we get the request from the field. The product team will approve and create the technical requests for these field business requests. The dev team is coding and unit testing their work items. QA team is verifying and validating the work items, and the ops is deploying and maintaining these applications. According to Wolfgang Platz, founder of Tricentis, on an article he has written on the newstack.io, a GitLab survey of a list of engineers and developers resulted in them saying 52% of the time testing is becoming their bottleneck in delivering the software to their customers. And on a similar survey that is done on DevOps across many IT leaders of these organizations, they said 63% of the time the testing or QA teams are becoming the bottlenecks in delivering quality software to their customers. So, why is software testing becoming a bottleneck? We believe these bottlenecks could be because of these reasons: resource utilization, competency gap, process overhead, automation, environment availability, and cross team dependencies. ConnectALL's value stream management platform and its rich analytics will help you identify these bottlenecks and make improvements in your software delivery. In this example, we'll be talking a little bit about Carl's testing company, about the resource utilization metrics, competency metrics, process overheads, and automation, and how they're contributing to the bottlenecks in their software testing process. If you look at their software resource utilization, if Maxwell and John are actually executing close to 70% of the tests within their team. And clearly, they are going to become a bottleneck in a short while. And when you map the components versus assignees across these testers, you can see that Maxwell is taking close to 65% of the API related tests, while John is taking close to 30% of those API related tests. While these two become the subject matter experts, we are creating a knowledge gap across the rest of the team. So if something happens to Maxwell or he decides to go on a vacation, you're going to have a big bottleneck in your software delivery. It's always good to identify these at the early onset so that you can balance your knowledge and transfer the knowledge across your team, and you'll not be creating those subject matter experts which contribute to the bottlenecks. Process overheads also contributes to your bottlenecks. The typical process that you define for your software testing can create the workflows that you create for your software testing can create your bottlenecks. And if you look at the average time we spent on a given work item, we can clearly see testing deferred is taking close to 3 weeks. That means from testing deferred, if they have to go to the next step, it is taking them 3 weeks to get ahead of that. And preparing test cases is taking close to 2 weeks for them. And in sprint testing, they're putting almost 1 week. But this is not giving you the complete picture, right? You need to see the average cycle time of these states compared to the total number of work items in each of these states. And in the chart here on the right, you can see that only 9 of these work items are in testing default state out of hundreds of the work items that the team is delivering. And when you look at the prepare, there are also only 9 of these are in prepare state out of hundreds that we are delivering. But the biggest chunk is the sprint testing, right? Almost 114 tickets or work items are going through sprint testing phase, and they are consuming almost a week of their cycle time. Any improvement that we do here in the sprint testing phase is definitely going to help you with your software delivery and removing the bottlenecks in your software testing. At the same time, this particular team has approximately 2,300 tests that they are executing every release, out of which they have identified close to 800 tests to be automated, and they currently automated 356 tests. But if you look at the variance of these automated tests, close to 20 tests they are modifying or maintaining every release so that they can keep up with these automation tests, right? As this maintenance variation keeps growing, you're going to add a bottleneck into your software testing because the more you automated tests you do, the more maintenance overhead it'll have, right? So you need to invest time while you prepare your automated tests so that they are more reliable and maintainable over a period of time. So this chart helps you identify that bottlenecks even well before it becomes a bottleneck. ConnectALL's value stream management platform will give you these kind of baselines for you to ask questions and drive your process improvements in your value streams and software delivery. If you have any more questions on how ConnectALL can help you in identifying these bottlenecks and help you with your software value streams, please reach out to us at sales@connectall.com. Thanks a lot for your time today and have a wonderful day.